I'm not even wearing my apron, but because I'm not doing this episode, my friend Jeanette came over and she was just gonna make for the holidays. What was it? A Cowboy Caviar, right?
Yep.
It's called Cowboy Caviar, and I thought, why not film this? So we immediately set up the camera. We're kind of like doing this half-legged, so bear with us, and we'll get in close and show you how to make Cowboy Caviar. Let me get out of the way.
Okay, so Cowboy Caviar is like the easiest thing to make if you're going to someone's house for a potluck, because you just dump all the ingredients in a big bowl, mix it together, let it sit overnight, and it's ready to go. So you need 3 cans of Ro-Tel, 2 cans of shoepeg corn, which I had no idea what that even was till I came to the South, a bottle of Italian dressing. I use the smaller bottle when I use frozen ingredients because it's already going to be wetter. 1 diced onion, 1 diced pepper, and some black-eyed peas. So we've got everything all opened up, and we're just going to dump it all into the bowl and mix it together. So I'm going to start with my 3 cans of Ro-Tel, and nothing gets drained. Just goes in as is. In goes our shoepeg corn next. Black-eyed peas next. Oh, this is going to like take this right up to the top of this container. So it calls for 1 cut diced green pepper. I cheat and buy the bag of it already diced. Makes it that much easier. I'm making some room for the onions here. All right. And 1 diced onion, which this is a little more than 1 diced onion, but. And Italian dressing. That's it. Mix it all together.
All right, you ready? So you can either use pork rinds or tortilla chips, or what we're using today is scoops. You can do whatever you want to do, but this is amazing. It's the quickest, best appetizer I've ever tasted. So go ahead, grab one. Ladies first. There we go. Here we go. Oh, wait.
Oh, too late.
Yeah. What is it with guests eating before I get mine? Hold on a minute. What's it called?
Cowboy Caviar.
Cowboy Caviar. That was stupid simple. See you guys in the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.